The question is this: can I share or promote my LinkedIn profile, my LinkedIn content on other social media? Bottom line, the answer is yes. If the other social media platform will allow you to share URLs, whether it's Quora, Reddit, Tumblr, Medium, YouTube, whether it's your website, whether it's Facebook, etc., etc. If you have the ability, either publicly or via messaging on those platforms, to share URLs, you can share any URL from LinkedIn that you want to share. Now, a couple things to pay attention to. Number one, if the content you're sharing is not public content, then when they go to click on it, they're not going to be able to see anything. Example, groups. Group content typically is not public content. Additionally, the other thing to pay attention to is that when you share URLs from LinkedIn, I can share my LinkedIn profile URL right there, copy that if I want to. And when I go to share that, sometimes it doesn't display or preview properly. And so when that happens, you're going to get just a box that says go to LinkedIn or LinkedIn.com. You're not going to see an image that looks like this. Sometimes that happens. It doesn't always happen. Now, what can you share? Yes, I can share my LinkedIn profile URL. I can also come down here and I can share any of my activity. Go show all activity. I can show post. And when I'm looking at a post, I hit the three dots right here. I can copy the link to this post and I can share it. Articles. I can go look at any article. I can click on the article if I want to go into it. And I can come down here and find the share button. Where's the share button? Click on the share button and I can copy the link. I can actually from here go straight to Facebook or straight to Twitter to share it. Again, the easiest way for me is to copy the link. What else can I share? Let me give you a few other examples. Not only from my all activity, go back to that. I can go comments. I can actually share a comment. So Teddy replied to Steve, hit the three dots, look, copy the link. I can share any videos that I've publicly shared on LinkedIn. I can share any images, events, documents that I've shared on LinkedIn. Actually, can I share reactions? I think I can. Look, liked it. I can hit the three dots and I can copy a link to this post. That's not to the reaction. Interesting. I like that better anyway. But I can share almost any of my content. What else can I share? I can share my company pages. Go to my company page right here. Get out of being an admin and go view as a member. I can grab the URL of the company page and I can share that publicly. And while I'm in as a member, I can go to post. From a company page, three dots, I can share a link to the specific company page post to let people know what I'm posting on my company page. And again, I can do images, I can do videos, I can do articles, I can do documents, any of this company page content. I can go over here and copy the link to the post and share it. Other things I could share from LinkedIn. If I find somebody else's post, I think it's worthy of sharing, I can hit these three dots right here. I can copy the link to the post because it's public. And by the way, you know it's public because it has the globe. You also know it's public because it has the send and the repost button. And pretty much all content that people share on LinkedIn is public. It doesn't have to be, but pretty much. Bottom line, if you can get to the three dots and copy the link, if you can see the URL up here, you can share it on any social media platform. My recommendation would be to share it where relevant and appropriate. And my recommendation would be when you do share a link or URL to other content on LinkedIn, that you tell the viewer why you are sharing it and what benefit they will get from it. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.